How to enhance photo quality in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to make a photo look sharper and clearer, then you can use the PhotoRoom's available enhancement tool. Firstly, open up the PhotoRoom application and log into your account. Now go to the bottom of the screen and tap on AI Tools. After you're inside the AI Tools, select Image Enhancer option. Now choose the photo you want to enhance from your camera roll. Now select whether you'd like to enhance your photo, transform or reimagine. I'm just gonna select Enhance and now tap Continue. Wait for a few moments. Now you'll see a little slider at the bottom, just slide it towards the right. This will show you the before and after of your photo. After you're happy with the result, you can tap on Use Image at the bottom right corner and go ahead and export it. AI enhancement works best when you start with the highest quality original image available. Very blurry or heavily compressed photo may still have limited details. Mine didn't turn out that much enhanced, but you're mine. Just make sure that you are using the best quality photo already. So that's how you successfully use AI Enhancer in PhotoRoom to improve your photo quality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.